Hi, gang. So right now at this very instant, we've got a comet going through some of the most gorgeous galaxies that we've got in our sky. There's a few more, but these are gorgeous. And in fact, I've always loved these since I was a kid because you can go out in a dark sky, look at a right spot, and see two fuzzy spots of these two galaxies. Now let's get right to it so I can show you what's going on. Okay, this is called Sequence Generator Pro. And in Sequence Generator Pro, it's actually capturing the image right now. You can see down at the bottom left, hopefully it's on the screen, light frames. So I've got a telescope. It's a Celestron Rasa 11, and it's riding on a software bisque mighty mount. That's the name of it, so I have to give that to you. The camera is a ZWO ASI 294 MC Pro. It's a color camera, but you're only going to see black and white right now tonight because I'm not going to process these until tomorrow. But look what we got. Look what we got. I know I'm talking. What we got is we've got this beautiful grand spiral called Bodes Galaxy M81. It's gorgeous. And we've got this bizarre Cigar Galaxy, that's what it's called, M82. It's got star birthing going everywhere. When I was a kid, we thought it was erupting, blowing up, until we know better. We found out that these two galaxies were closer 100 million years ago, 100 million, and they caused the tidal interaction to cause some warpage of both galaxies and this explosion of stars being born in the halo. And down here, the special guest in our own solar system is this comet. Comet C 2017, the year it was born. We found it not born. And T2, the month, the second object in that month that was found, or half a month. And it's PANSTARRS, the name of the remote group that found it. You might not be able to see the tail, but I can get it a little bit brighter for you. Oh yeah, check that tail out. It's gorgeous. It goes way up here. What a superb night. Look how bright this is. This isn't even full frame. Look at that comet tail. All right, let's get it back to another stretched, and we know that we're bringing out the lights. So let's go full resolution. So let's take a look right in the middle, that cigar-shaped galaxy called M82. Look at it, strange. And in color, there's a lot of reds in the middle. Look at the roughness. No wonder we thought it was blowing up back in the day. All right, and M81. Here it is. Look at the spiral arms. Look at the detail. Look at this. Oh, okay, maybe that's a little too much, but look at all the hydrogen alphas. This is where stars are being born here. This is a grand spiral. Do you notice? There's a little dwarf galaxy going on here. So M81, M82, about 12 million light years away. 12. M81, the biggest of the group. By the way, 12 million light years away. This is our second closest group of galaxies other than our local group of Andromeda Galaxy and Triangulum Galaxy. A little too much information for most of you. But if you want to know in the scheme of things, 12 million light years away, light's taken 12 million years to get here. This is the next closest group of major galaxies. And by the way, M81 is the largest of the group, about 70,000 light years across. 70,000. The Milky Way, our galaxy, is about 100. The distance between M81 and M82, about 130,000 light years. So what does that mean? Our galaxy would easily fit between it, but would span 100 of the 130,000 light years, making it quite large. We do live in a very large spot. Oh, our next frame's going to come through. Boom. We're catching 180 seconds or 3 minutes. Oh, there's the latest one. It just adjusted. Let's take a look at the comet. This comet just got through its closest approach to the sun on May 4th, perihelion, where we know comets are made up of dust and gas and ices, mostly ices, And when it gets close to the sun, and take a look at this baby. Look at that tail. That's huge. There it is. And as it got through the sun, it's heated up. It's really active right now. But its distance wasn't that close. It was only 1.6 astronomical units away, which is one Earth to sun distance plus another 0.6. And that's how far it was to the sun. In fact, that's how far away it is to us right now. About 1.5 times our distance to the sun. It's on a very strange parabolic orbit. I call it strange other than it really won't be coming back again. Estimates on its orbital period is about 250,000, 250,000 years it might come back. That's only one form. All right, let's get back to the real size. So we've got this object. It's moving up this way, and it's moving like a planet. So it may look like it's jetting through the sky, but it's moving like a planet. Not that fast. And tomorrow night, it should have moved up in this way, where I hope to host a live event. If tonight doesn't kill me, because I got a lot of processing to do. Hope to be able to bring the images to you tomorrow night as I go. I'm going to bring in as extra credit my astrophysics classes from Maricosta, and they'll be invited for some extra credit. And we'll go and see this. You guys are seeing this live as I do this. And by the time you look at it, it'll be a day or so. It depends on when you look at it. So with that, you might go, wow, neat. Big telescope. Yep. Can I see it? Yeah, you can. You need a decent telescope and you need dark skies. So where are they located? Well, take a peeky. Sorry about that. Here's the location in sky. So I'm looking. There's the Little Dipper, Polaris. Here's the Big Dipper to the west. So you're looking northwest. And the Big Dipper, look at the bullseye. You've got these stars. You've got the pointers. Points to Polaris. So Dubhe and Merak. These are the pointers. They point here. About almost an equal triangle between these, maybe a little bit closer to Ursa Major. It is in Ursa Major right now. And if we get closer, a decent pair of binoculars will show you the galaxies, and you might doubt it. And I've seen these galaxies in 10 by 50s binoculars. My best friend in high school, the Duffer, had 7 by 50s. He could see them. Whoa, a little bit too close. He could see them too. Well, it's jumping all around. Sorry about that. And you can see the galaxies as faint little fuzzy spots with binoculars. But I looked for the comet a couple mornings ago when I was looking for Comet Swan. Got a couple pictures of that too. And if we get close enough, remember, this is where it's centered on. And right about here is our galaxy, is PANSTARRS, the comet. So that's where we're located. You go out and look. Again, tomorrow night, I'm going to show this live again, just as it's live right now as I'm coming to you. Yes. So again, I'm running 2 telescopes, the Celestron Rasa 11 on a MYT mount. I got another one going out the other side of the house, and it's an 8-inch Rasa on an MIT mount, not an MYT mount, a 10 micron mount. And I've got another piggyback camera going there too. So I got a bunch of cameras going, so I don't want to miss this. But this is absolutely spectacular. Look at this. I'm going to, oh, look at that, an airplane. No, it would be multiple lights. That's got to be a satellite. It's not a meteor because it would have a variation in brightness. Anyway, I'm killing you. Live tomorrow night. Stay tuned. Let's go and watch this. It's breathtaking and it's kind of cool. So see you tomorrow night unless things happen. Hope they don't. All right. This is the beauty of the universe. Oh my goodness.